Hi, I'm Meridith Anzulis. I'm CEO and co-founder of Fenetex Motorized Screens. I'm here today with Melanie Frasier, president of Titan Outdoor Solutions. We are going to talk a little bit about this special project that's all around us. This is a glorious country club on a fabulous day in Florida. Tell us what problems the client was trying to solve here on this patio.
The client was trying to make this patio all weather, all season. The client decided to go with a Nano 95 shade screen, the stone texture that allows a lot of air to get through but still keeps the sun off of them, and it's 95% impervious. So in the summertime when it's really hot, they can lower the screens, keep the sun off of everybody, and then in the rainy times, they can keep them nice and dry. But as you can see, it turned out beautiful, and everything went in pretty smoothly.
And what made them choose Fenetex over other screens?
Well, they have screens from a competitor, and those aren't working out for them. They're having a lot of troubles, a lot of issues with them. So we've taken them and replaced them with Fenetex screens so they don't have to deal with that in the future. And it also is a lot less noisy, especially for an environment like this. People are trying to eat, you won't hear screens clanking up and down. The Fenetex screens don't do that because they have the self-adjusting tracks. The benefits of the self-adjusting track is it does allow for expansion and contraction in weather, so it doesn't bind up and it keeps it running smoothly all the time.
Fenetex self-adjusting tracks, our one-track tracks, use a quiet spring technology. We do not use magnets. Magnets have a tendency to rust in a marine environment, and here we are right by the ocean, practically on the beach. But we know we can offer a lifetime warranty because our screens are built for this. They will last and they are reliable. That's why we can offer a lifetime warranty on them.